Good morning, guys. I feel like a student. This doesn't feel like an interview. I feel like a student. So today we have with us in this episode of Green Talkies, Bikash Bhattacharjee. Well, currently he's a financial consultant. I'll give you an introduction from my side because I've known him for a very, very long time. He's a foodie. He loves food.
You can see it.
He loves food. Hates reading. Literally hates reading. But somehow he loves gathering knowledge in his own way. He is pretty good in playing tabla. He's a musician with a wide array of interest in music. So one time you'll hear him listening to an absolute range of Govida and Bappi Lahiri, and the next morning you'll hear him playing Deep Purple and Led Zeppelin, Bob Dylan,
and the next day it's Begum Akhtar.
Begum Akhtar, and one of the biggest Rafi fans that I've come across.
That's one of the fewest things that I worship.
He loves Rafi. He loves trying out new things, and I hope I did not intrude you while you were doing one of your classes.
No, even if you did, this would be more or less like a class only.
I told you I feel like a student. The reason why we are doing this today, Green Ammo is doing this today, is because I believe after the corona situation, the education department has been hampered a lot, in the sense that students are not able to go to school. And I was a student. If you don't get yourself associated with regular studies, the best you'll do is Momo, ja ke padhne baith. Haan ma, baith rahi hu. I'm not studying, I'm reading crap. But the moment you have a teacher in front of you, it's not a fear factor. I think we do it sometimes out of fear, sometimes out of reverence. So, Simply Learning is a new initiative that Bikash as a faculty as well as the brains behind it came up with. Meghalaya essentially does not have any online platform or e-learning platform, does it?
As far as I know, it's not there.
So he is, like I said before, he is a student of commerce, and the results for classes 10th and 12th just came out. So he decided that because of the corona situation, no school or institution is open. So he said, why not? Let's try out something new. Let's have an online platform. Wow.
Huh? Yeah, never mind, it's better than fat form.
So he decided, let's have an online platform where, we can impart education, and the rest, I'm done. Go take it. I mean, you got to tell us.
No, you
what
are the
is it
interviewer.
about.
You ask me something and I'll reciprocate.
Okay. So, first of all, tell us a little about Y accounts. Why are you so hell-bounded with these boxes? I can see on your screen what not, debit, credit.
You can see, let them see as well. This is actually
A little closer.
Can I see it? I
It's
mean,
white.
it's too bright.
No, but I think
It's like the halo behind an idol. It's too bright. Anyway, this is actually a book that I'm trying to write. I'm trying to compile an ebook through which I'll be able to teach my students. I've taken up materials from NCERT, from famous textbooks, by Mr. Grewal and others. Some of them might know, from the Byju's material, from the Vedantu material, and my own inputs also. So I'm trying to compile all of them together along with a few previous year questions, sample papers, so that students don't have to, pick up chunks from here, chunks from there, chunks from somewhere else, and then make up an entire textbook. And they have piles of books here, and this much of knowledge in their brains, because all they are doing is gathering artillery.
Did you
Junk
face
pe nahi jana hai, artillery gather karna hai.
Did you face a similar issue when you were...
I didn't study much. I mean,
I don't know. You're a topper, right?
I was.
How?
I don't know.
Like I said, why accounts? Why? I mean,
see,
why are you obsessed with this?
Initially, what happened is, when you take up a certain stream, these days what happens with students is that they are almost, certain at the phase of class 8 and 9 itself. During our times, we knew what we did not want to do. I did not want to take up science. It was not something of interest.
Problem क्या है science?
बस मुझे मेरे मन का नहीं था. मुझे लगता था कि काश यार biology वाला portion ले ले, and then I take up something else along with that, but not physics and chemistry. That is possible now with the new education policy being implemented. अभी तो संभव है वो. And I've posted a video also on YouTube regarding that.
Yeah, we went through that. Guys, you need to check that video out, essentially because it is not boring. He's done it in a very nice, chill manner that students can understand. I mean, the policy and the way people are talking about the policy, nothing against it. It seems it's more for the policy makers. But what about the people who will be affected? So that video, we will post a link to that video as well. You have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, I have.
What is the name of the channel?
It's Simply Learning.
It's Simply Learning.
It's
Simply Learning. You got to go to that YouTube channel and you've got interesting videos. But yeah, this is a very nice elaborate video that Bikash came up with, which is essentially for the students. I mean, जिनको effect होगा उनके लिए video बना हुआ है कि
But I
आप में क्या changes होगा.
I don't think it is only for the students. It's for the students. It's for the parents because it's not one such policy which pans out from class 1 to 10. It's nothing like that. It's from Anganwadi up till PhD level.
For people who will genuinely get affected by it.
Yeah.
So how did you decide? You knew that science नहीं लेना है, bio side लेना है.
आर्ट्स के बारे में हमारा उस वक्त एक मिसकंसेप्शन था कि थियोरिटिकल नॉलेज बहुत ज़्यादा है, बहुत पढ़ना है, थियरी. नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड एज आई हैव पैन्ड इनटू डिफरेंट स्ट्रीम्स, आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट इज नॉट थियरी, इट इज मोर लाइक अप्लाइड थियरी. You know, so applied theory and practicals is no difference. What we think is practicals are numbers and theory is letters and alphabets. That's not the truth, but it took me a lot of time to realize that. Thereby the only option left was commerce. And luckily it so happened, even though commerce was, in my multiple choice questions, commerce came out as the only one which was not eliminated. Once I delved into it, I started loving it.
Did you have any influence from your parents or?
My father, he was a student of commerce, and all the decisions that I've taken, primarily he was there at a subconscious level, knocking and saying, "Beta, ye sahi hai."
How? What about mom?
Mom, how it is with moms. They'll never say tell you rather, but beta ye sahi hai. They'll be like, beta tu sahi hai.
So
father,
true.
That is
so
the difference
true.
between.
So true. मम्मी यूनिवर्सल एक यूनिवर्सिटी से पास होके आती है ना, ये एक बेसिक नेचर हो ही जाता है.
आप कोई भी गलती कर लो, उस गलती के लिए आपको डांट पड़ सकती है, लेकिन आपके प्यार में कमी नहीं पड़ सकती. लेकिन with fathers, they have since they have a practical outlook. This is not a gender-based explanation, but it is more towards the physical nature of fathers. Mothers have this tendering tendency,
They've evolved.
Yes.
To nurture.
Plus, you
and
have
care.
kept somebody in your womb for a certain period, and there is no relation, nothing that can replace that. That phase of 9 months, or a little less if you're premature, which I was not, but that love, the love that you garner at that phase, there is no replacement for that whatsoever, at least in my knowledge.
So थोड़ा बाऊजी का influence, थोड़ा MCQ, थोड़ा science नहीं लेना, all of that got you
Not
into
थोड़ा.
accountancy.
बहुत बाबूजी का इन्फ्लुएंस, उससे भी बहुत ज्यादा माँ का इन्फ्लुएंस, और थोड़ा बहुत
नंबर से तो प्यार हो ही होगा. You must be loving mathematics.
I love mathematics. Was
Damn you,
the
I
first thing
hate maths.
I fell into love. Before music, before cricket, mathematics. इधर है दिल में.
मेरा तो ना यहाँ पे घुसता है, यहाँ का तो छोड़ ही दो. I don't understand.
तेरा कुछ और होगा ना मोहब्बत
Yeah,
करने
we all
के लिए.
have our.
We all have
all
our.
have
Each
our
his own.
Yeah, to each its own. That's true. So, what did you do? Like after you 11, 12 तो हर कोई करता है. Graduation किया आपने?
हाँ, graduation हो गया, BCom हो गया. Then I enrolled into chartered accountancy. उसका intermediate हो गया. I was a student of CS as well, company secretaryship. That happened.
How was your work life? I mean, you still.
That is-
what was? Corona के लिए was हो गया.
नहीं, was never. I'm not that old, man. I'm not retired.
No,
I've
you
just
look.
begun.
No, you look 20.
Huh?
20.
I look 20.
Yeah.
I feel 15.
You feel 15.
I
You
feel
look 20.
15.
How old are you?
Don't ask me
Public
that.
में नहीं
Don't
बोला
ask me that.
करते.
Age is a number in the mind, and it is only in my mind.
Whose phrase is that? Age is a number in the mind.
Yeah, my father used to say that. I have elaborated further. Age is a number in my mind. I don't want to transfer it into yours.
How? Tell me, how was working experience?
Lovely. There's nothing that beats that.
Because
Nothing.
I have
No matter
had.
how much you study, how much you delve yourself into books and copies and all of that, when you enter the practical world, it is a totally different diaspora, and that is why I believe that when you are being taught, it should entail a little bit of practical experiences also. That is what I'll try and implement in the ways I teach as well. I have been teaching for quite a few years now. Anyway,
I got to know that you had
coaching
Was
center.
it? I was going to say a CA coaching center, but I don't know whether it was CA or
It was
intermediate.
a commerce coaching center.
It was a commerce. You
coaching
had
center.
that before as
I
well.
had that before as well, but I had to stop it because my father expired, and I mean, a few years layoff went off because of that. But now I'm back in the game.
You're back in the game.
Yeah.
Tell us about Simply Learning. Why Simply Learning? How did this idea pop?
This idea of just came out like in a jiffy. I was having a discussion with my family members about the education structure, about my career, financial consultancy, and all of that. And all of a sudden, somebody just came up with this idea. Why don't you restart teaching? And I was like, I cannot do it because I don't want to call students over and put them at risk and put myself at risk as well. And then this idea of video classes came up, and then immediately that idea came up, and in the evening itself I had made all the setup. I had planned out a things to do list, and now every day I'm just ticking things off from
Do you
that
like
list.
taking instantaneous decisions like that?
Yeah,
And it's just-
generally. And
No waiting.
more often than not it works out.
We will certainly hope so.
But you've got
How-
to work your ass off for that.
That is true. That is true. I mean, an idea just in itself will not work. There's got to be implementation, of course. So, how are you planning to do this? I mean, if I am the student, what will I have to do?
You have to study. You have to come for the tuition class.
No,
There's
I'm
no
asking
difference.
the whole tech process.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. There is no difference between a normal physical class and an online class. Only primary difference is that you will be free from the clutches of corona. That is clutches and crutches. I mean, at this situation, you'll be free from that. And other than that, I'm trying to take the classes on GeoMeet platform. The classes have already begun for class 12 actually. 11 and will start on the 14th. So GeoMeet platform, all you have to do is write down geomeet.com and then press on the button join a meeting. You do that and you enter the passcode which I give you, and then you can start the classes. That's it. 3-step procedure.
What about the study materials? I mean, in school we have this bari khata, sab kuch chahiye na.
Study materials, I'll provide my own study materials to the students so that they have the option of either studying from the ebook or buying the physical book, whichever is feasible for them. Well, it's totally up to the student. I've left the ball in their court, and over time I leave more balls in their court.
So,
It is student centric. I have tried to decentralize it as much as possible, delegate the powers to them.
what subjects? Only accountancy?
No, I'm taking up accountancy, business studies, economics, then CA, CS, CMA, all these
सब कुछ मतलब सब ले लेना है आपको बस.
foundation. No, this is as of now. From next year, I want to go ahead with BCom as well, and over time start off with mathematics also 9-10. So that I can pan out right from 9-10 up to end of graduation. So in
बात
the
सुन के
entire
तो लग रहा है मैथमेटिक्स क्लास 2 में भी कोई आ जाएगा, आप तो पढ़ा दोगे.
mathematics is the one which I want to take up because of sheer love for the subject. Whether I'll have time to do that or not, I do not know, but I have an absolute intent.
You said that you want to come up with a book.
I am almost ready with the first draft. Not almost, let's say 70%.
When can the market expect it?
I do not know whether I'll put it out to the market first or give it to my students first. I think I'll give it to the existing students of Simply Learning first and see their reviews, take some feedback, because you cannot expect yourself to be Hercules and everything is correct. So
No, not
let them,
Hercules.
of course. Huh?
No, not Hercules.
Then what other explanation? Abdul Kalam?
Chal.
Closer to perfection? Okay. So so I'll give it out to them, let them study the books, give me some feedback, and if they feel, along with me collaboratively, we have a feeling that it is worth it, then we'll put it out to the public in general.
We've often heard that teachers forever remain as students. Do you want to get back in that zone, to be a student again?
I am a student. You have to be a student.
How so?
If you are not constantly learning, constantly updating yourself, whether you are taking up a professional degree or not, if you are not studying, you cannot help others study.
But do you want to formally pursue any other degree?
I want to. Now with this new economic policy out and with all these different aspects, variegated, patterns through which you can study. I want to take up biology, do something with biology. If I get a good combination of biology, mathematics, and statistics.
Maths पीछा नहीं
goodness,
छोड़ता
I want
इनका.
biology, mathematics, statistics, and applied accountancy. Goodness gracious, if that happens.
You have a glow in your face, you know.
Man, this glow, it is not a glow, it is a halo around here now with this option that I have.
But we certainly hope that you get to pursue it. I don't know about the success, but I think to delve into such, variated domain itself is a dream.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm drinking water, there's no water here. That is how excited I am.
I'll tailor this a little towards sustainability. Do you think that there is any relationship whatsoever when it comes to online teaching and sustainability?
If you ask me this question, I think it's a twofold answer. One, the first answer is a plain yes. It is known to everybody. If you are not going and meeting somebody face to face, then there are many things or many resources of nature which you can cut down on. Pen, paper, traveling cost, fuel cost. You are cutting down on all these things. If you are socializing, then you've got, the moment you socialize with people, face to face, you've got to go to a restaurant, then there you are minimizing resources. However, the flip side of it is that some people think that if I am not doing this, the economy is being hampered because I'm not going there, I'm not doing this. The civilization aspect of it also takes a toll rather. But if I am to think from my side, I think socializing should be done in schools. Tuitions are not for socializing. If you are socializing in school, you are socializing in tuitions. When do you study?
When did you study?
I did not take up tuitions at all because I had my socializing aspect and I had my papa.
You had your father, yeah.
So, that is what I believe. Socialize in school and tuitions you study. That tuitions are something extra. So when you are paying extra, putting in extra effort, make that extra effort count.
True. We were having a discussion regarding this. How do you plan to bring about sustainability in this domain? How do you plan to integrate Simply Learning with sustainability?
See, I am a man of finance. So whenever I think about sustainability, I have to think about whether sustainability can be sustained economically as well.
Absolutely.
Okay, so that is the aspect that I think about. If there is a sustainability program or analysis or anything in that domain, if that is not economically viable, since man is a tool of money is not a tool of man no longer. It has become vice versa. Since that is the case, that program will not last. So if I can in my ways explain to my students and tell them that it is not only physically helpful if you can take up sustainability, it is also economically viable. That aspect of it also, if I can push, then it will not only become an emotional requirement for the student, but it will also become a financially lucrative aspect for the students. They can think of it as a career in entirety, and that way we can have pros and pros. We will not have pros and cons.
That is amazing, to integrate accountancy and sustainability.
Yeah, to cut you short, another thing is the pure sustainability aspect of it. For that, I'll be in collaboration with you fellas.
That's sweet. ऐसे लोग collaborate कर जाते हैं.
And then as in when I have students, and if my students are interested to do something which is of value and not just monetary value, I'll try and link them up with you fellas. Green Ammo, that's it.
That is nice. It will be amazing to have a platform where we can just have a small session with the students saying that.
Yeah.
हो सकता है आपके डोमेन में भी हो सकता है, क्यों नहीं?
We have read a little. Okay, thereby our knowledge is biased. If you go and talk to kindergarten students, they have not read, they have only felt. When you get their view on the environment, that will be unadulterated. If you guys could incorporate that, it would be lovely. And
we will try. I personally love this idea. Why did we not think about it? This is what I love about Green Talkies. Because
Green
Talkies. G capital, T capital, Green Talkies.
Lovely. Nice name.
Thank you. हमारा क्या होता है ना कि आपने भी पूछा था कि कुछ बताओगे कि आप क्या सवाल पूछना है. We don't tell people. We just sit and talk.
It doesn't feel like an interview. It just seems like another session, you know, with a cup of tea in hand. I don't drink tea though, but I mean, I had eggs, so it's like you know, sustainability.
Morning में होता है ना कि चाय की टपरी में बैठ के दो लोग बस ऐसे ही बातें कर रहे हैं.
It's like breakfast with greenery or something
We
like
don't
that.
prepare, and that's the reason we come up with amazing ideas. I love this idea. Why not talk to kindergarten kids? Just let them speak because they are unadulterated with anything. They just feel inka na. They don't think too much. They
have not grown up neither in the good aspect nor in the bad aspect. And when you get something which is कच्ची घनी.
कच्ची घनी. अरे तेल ने क्या थे? इंजन तेल कच्ची घनी नहीं. Fortune.
धारा था. धारा धारा. शुद्ध धारा.
Damn, the advertisements back then.
Beautiful.
Jalebi.
That is unadulterated.
That is unadulterated.
That is what you want.
घर में मुझे कोई प्यार नहीं करता. मैं घर छोड़ के जा रहा हूँ.
Because you know what is unadulterated? Mother's love, and that is what you will get from a child also. You know,
बस
the love that
प्यार
you
है
have
तो
for
है.
nature, it is there. It is not a reflection of some other thing that has happened to you.
Oh, we
It's
need to get
unrestrained
back
and
to
bound.
childhood to love nature. You know, it should not be entrusted. It just needs to be there automatically. अपने
बचपन
आप
आपको
से.
नहीं मिल सकता. बचपना तो रह सकता है.
Wow. The child may be gone, but the childhood still remains. Why not?
Has to at least in snippets.
Why not? What is the future? What are you planning to do with Simply Learning? Is it just because of the corona? I mean,
No.
it is just for the corona
No,
period.
this is a lifetime thing.
So you're
I
planning
want
to
to
do
induct-
physical classes?
I want to induct like-minded people, and I'm not the only faculty member. There are chartered accountants, there are other professionals.
Oh, so
also
it is a group of people.
Yeah, I conceived the idea, but if you do it alone, it doesn't become anything worth it. Okay, and it is sort of selfish also. Nah? Okay, anyway, so let's leave that part aspect of it. But I want to induct more people over time as this settles down and make it an absolutely pan strata small class to up class. You know?
But is it going to
And
be
teach everywhere.
only comers?
No. I'll try and income. That is why I want to induct. If it is only commerce, then I can manage with a handful of people, 2-3 people. That's it.
So
What I want
you're
to do
planning
is-
big, huh?
And the other plan is, since I have sprung out from Shillong, I want this platform to go ahead to other parts of Meghalaya also.
Okay.
Chowai, Tura, Nongpo, where good teaching facilities may not be available. I'm not 100% sure whether it is there or not, but professional teaching, I mean, if it is not available, then at least the students know that there's somebody. Koi to hai जो मदद कर देगा. And with the world being tech savvy, it is not going to take a lot of time for broadband connections and all of that to reach the peripheries of to spread its tentacles throughout the state. So that is one aspect of it. That is why I want to retain the online aspect part of it. And in Shillong, we'll start off physical classes also, face-to-face classes, as and when it is safe to do so. And when that happens, the students will have the option.
Do you think that after a while there will be a requirement for physical classes, not in terms of schools, but in terms of these coaching centers or tuitions as we call it?
See,
क्या वो उठ जाएगा?
देखो वो तुमको भारत के बारे में बोलने से नहीं उठेगा because India is a developing country and India is a developing country in only 30% of its area. In the remaining 70% which are villages, it is still an underdeveloped country. People might not agree, but it is so. If you go and see in the educational sector, that's what I'm talking about, the educational sector. So for them to be tech savvy, they might get internet connection, but how the hell will they purchase a laptop?
True.
That aspect of it has to be seen.
Yeah,
but
आजकल तो smartphone में हो
if
जाता
I
है.
can cater to the 30% who actually can afford it, and if not afford, actually can do this, then from the money that I can take out from there, we can actually collaborate with you fellows and start e-classes in a village where live streaming can be done and the students can sit and they don't. It's just like a school. There's no difference whatsoever between that and a school, and we can collaborate with schools. But this is a far-fetched idea for today.
Oh, we can
don't
make
think
the
today,
school
you can't
using
do
bottle
tomorrow.
breaks. We can make the school using bottle
You
breaks.
just sit and you talk and you have ideas. Only the difference between thinking, talking and having ideas with others and with you fellows is that the idea gets implemented.
No, but then again, we will lay the foundation for having the school, but पढ़ाने वाले तो चाहिए. We need people who
पढ़ाने
will
वाले
take
हो
out a
जाएंगे.
little
पढ़ाने
time.
वाले हो जाएंगे.
समय कहाँ है
There are
लोगों
so
के
many,
पास?
there are so many people who want to do They just don't know how
How?
to do.
I went through that too.
You went through that.
I went through that
I'm
too.
still going through that.
Had lots of ideas, did not know where to go. And yeah, I believe in that you will be getting like-minded people and you'll be getting people who will just fall.
Will
Place.
fall, and then things will fall apart.
Apart also, of
and
course.
then you'll get fresh like-minded people. This is the cycle
नीति
of
है ये।
education. नीति.
शिक्षक हिंदी में बड़ा दिलचस्पी रखते हो आप, लिखते हो?
बहुत हिंदी मोहब्बत है, मोहब्बत उर्दू शब्द है, लेकिन हिंदी तो मोहब्बत है।
प्यार क्यों है?
इस जमीन से जुड़ा हुआ है ना ये भाषा। इसमें एक देश की खुशबू आती है।
पॉलिटिकल कुछ नहीं है।
पॉलिटिकल क्यों होगा?
नहीं, आजकल हम लोग पूछ लेते हैं ना, क्योंकि ये बात से वो बात में चला जाता है सब कुछ, इसलिए हम साफ साफ पूछ लेते हैं।
उर्दू से भी प्यार है,
उर्दू से भी प्यार,
उर्दू से भी प्यार है,
संस्कृत से भी प्यार,
संस्कृत आता नहीं है
फिर भी प्यार,
उससे प्यार है। आई स्टे इन मेघालय, मुझे खांसी से भी प्यार है,
भाषा से प्यार है।
आपको बहुत सारे बच्चों से प्यार हो सकता है, लेकिन आपको आपके मन में पता है कि आपका फेवरेट औलाद कौन है। मेरे लिए वो
हिंदी है। अरे वाह, लिखते हो?
बहुत बहुत लिखता हूँ।
छापना पसंद करोगे कभी?
मैं अपने लिए लिखता हूँ फिलहाल तो।
कभी छापोगे कविताएं अपनी सोच?
शायद मौत से पहले, अगर मौत जल्दी ना आए तो।
नहीं, हम कोशिश
देखो
जारी रखेंगे, स्वस्थ रखेंगे।
I personally feel poetry is for yourself and prose is for the world. So poetry I would like to keep it to myself.
Prose?
Yeah, maybe publish someday. But as of now, my primary concern is to publish a book which will help the students.
Okay. Well, Bikash, did we cover everything?
Yeah, it's. Oh, how many minutes is it?
It lasted long.
20,
It's 26.
26 minutes.
So maybe
it is not an interview. It is a conference.
It's a conference. अब नहीं, समय से बांध के नहीं रखना चाहते हम।
और इस मौके पर समय ही तो है हमारे
और
पास।
क्या है? समय
ही समय है।
अगर
मैं समय हूँ, तू भी
समय है, समय ही समय है। और ऐसे भी बहुत जल्दी भाग रही है ना दुनिया। The one thing that we decided, all the members together, we decided that we're not going to keep this time bound. समय से नहीं, किसी को बोलना है बोलने देना चाहिए, नहीं तो बुला के बैठाने का मतलब क्या बनता है, या हम ही जाके बैठने का मतलब क्या बनता है? You got to give people time when you decide to sit down and talk to them.
Absolutely.
Ideas.
Otherwise you don't talk. Otherwise you don't talk.
I don't want to rush. I enjoy this. I like the laughter. I don't do editing. Everyone knows. I make mistakes. I'm human. No preparation. I just let people talk, and I talk a lot when I'm the one hosting and not the others. आधा समय तो मैं ही।
He reminds me of Stone Cold. Have you seen his interviews? Sometimes it gets hazy as to who is the interviewer and who is the interviewee.
What was the name?
Broken Skull
Sessions. Oh, you're into wrestling?
Absolutely, man.
Who's the favorite?
Undertaker.
Yo, Undertaker. Who is the favorite one now? Taker तो retire हो गया.
I like AJ Styles.
AJ Styles. He was the last one with which Taker had a match, no? The Graveyard. That was not a match. That was a movie.
That was a movie. That was WWE's, first production.
So, yeah, we've covered practically everything.
I think you'll have to chip this video up into two parts.
No way.
Can you upload it?
It'll go on our YouTube channel, right?
Oh, yeah.
And then from the YouTube, we can just send the links. And that is the thing. If someone is interested, if you can catch someone's attention, the person will sit down and watch it through. And if the person doesn't, it's okay.
I don't think it is okay. I personally don't agree with that idea. Because yours is not an economically driven channel. Yours is a channel which wants to reach the largest possible mass so that the largest possible extent of improvement in nature can happen. So I believe this is the economical aspect of it, but I'm saying you've got to be smart. In your scenario, it is different. I'm teaching. If a student wants to study, he will see the video any which way. It may take time to reach the students, but your thing is different. The faster you reach more people, the better the world gets.
Well, I hope that people, pass through 26 minutes to hear this. Started with that, man. TRP बढ़ जाता है.
ट्रेलर वीडियो बना देना. एक ट्रेलर में टीजर बना, फिर ट्रेलर बना, और बाद में 26 मिनट का मूवी with two nobody stars. Not big stars, nobodies. I'm a rag picker. I'm a rag picker and you're an idea picker. That's what we are. That's it. We're just pickers. Yeah.
So before we leave, is there anything that you want to share to the people who are circulated in your diaspora?
Nothing. Not on this platform.
Okay.
No,
Is there anything that you want to conclude this with?
all I can say is, in this scenario, I would expect people to at least abide by the norms and try and stay safe. You know, that is, of all the things right now, if you cannot retain humanity, then humanity will not be required to save the world. So try and save yourself, and then worry a little bit about saving the world. If you want to do that with absolute intent, then Green Ammo.
हमने नहीं बताया इनको. हमने नहीं बताया इनको.
This is not promotion. This is devotion.
That is so sweet. Thank you so much, brother, for having a discussion. And yeah, we hope we can collaborate. We genuinely want to wish you all the good vibes. We hope nature blesses you. Your parents have always been with you, either physically or through ideas and inspiration now. And go ahead, students. You may not be a part of this, but at least try to be a part of the idea. For that, you have your YouTube channel, Simply Learning. It's got Instagram, Facebook. Of course, all of that will be there in the links. Yaad bhi nahi rehta mujhe. But yeah.
That's it, I believe. And before you guys, if you have managed to linger this long, and before you guys tune off, go to their Green Ammo's YouTube channel, which is going to be launched pretty soon. Go to their Instagram channel, their Spotify channel, and then she writes stuff also. Go there also. Go to her Facebook page. There are so many pages where you can go to and you can spend some time with that. और कितना Game of Thrones देखोगे? ये देखो Game of Greenery.